Happy holidays, everybody. Can you believe that it is Thanksgiving week? Oh my gosh. This year, 2018, has completely flown by, and I hope for you it has been as fantastic, more so than not, this past year. I am actually getting ready to pack up and head to Portugal. If you're anything like me, this is just the beginning. I figured since I am in and out of airports and on the road so much, that I just wanted to give you a few tips on how you can save the luggage weight and the amount of bags that you're going to be packing in the car. And if you're taking gifts with you this year, that's going to add to weight. Your beauty products going to add to weight. All the clothes, boots, coats, everything else, it all adds up so unbelievably fast. So I've decided to just share some of my little tips that have saved me some angst going through airport security and space in the car. Although my boyfriend would disagree because sometimes I just throw it all in if we're going for a couple weeks. First, what I want to start with is that if you're traveling and you're not aware, everything's limited to a quart size bag that you're able to carry on. If you're checking on, you are limited to the weight, however, not the size of the bottles. And so if you're planning on getting it all into a carry-on bag, here's what I suggest. So most people travel with foundations, primers, you might have your BB cream, and that takes up a lot of bulk. Plus, since this is considered a liquid, it does strike against you for that quart size bag. So what I found about a year ago is this amazing product, and this is it. Foundation, concealer, right here. And it doesn't count against the weight, guys, because it's not a liquid. So this is probably one of my, this is the powder. And I'm actually wearing it right now. So this is the foundation. And then this is the concealer. And it's sold in different palettes, so you can combine it. You could actually have one palette that has the powder, concealer, and foundation all in one. But super lightweight and easy to travel with. Boom. Don't have to worry about that one. Then my other travel hack is, because if you're like me, you like to smell good. And so what I've done is, normally it would be this, right? But what if you got a little bottle on Amazon and you filled that instead? Because my perfume company actually sells the refill bottle. This is my favorite perfume in the world. It's from the Harmonist in Paris, and they do have locations. I think they have a location in LA, and they're opening up more around the globe. But and they have this fun test online that you can take to find out how to balance your yin and yang, and it's just an amazing experience going into this perfumery. But they sell this perfume in a refill. So I have my little bottle. I didn't buy the big one because that's all they sell at the time I bought it. And then there we go. But better yet, a better hack yet, actually I'm going to say this one for last because it's going to go with a couple other things. Another thing is eye makeup remover. This is another bottle you can save on. What you do is you get a little travel container and you pre-soak all your pads, right? And you put them in there. Doesn't account against that quart-sized bag. I'm constantly dehydrated, even in the summertime. So quenching my skin is as important as quenching on the inside, right? So this is a little roller ball tube. I found this in Bucharest, and you put your cuticle oil in here. And it's just a little roller ball. Now this does count against the liquid, but you don't have to fill it up all the way. A lot goes a long way. I've had this for about 6 months now, and there's still a lot of product in there. But you can pop off the roller ball and refill it. Totally refillable. They sell these little bottles on Amazon too, so it's not like you need this product. Just search refillable roller ball, and there you go. And it's way easier than the brushes and the other bottles. My other hack. I want to get into this one. So let's say you want a big foundation, but you also want your lighter foundation. You wear multiple ones. So what you can do is create your own BB cream. Of course, it's the one that dropped. What you can do is take this foundation, so instead of having multiple tubes of stuff, This is the best moisturizer, you guys. In fact, if you're even oily, this is a brilliant product. It's called Due Date, and it is a product that I can link to so you can find, but it's an amazing moisturizer. In fact, this I wind up keeping on the plane, so as I'm flying and I'm dehydrated or in my bag out running around in the cold winter, I can put it on when I start just seeing my skin taking that abuse. Especially as we age, that really shows up in certain areas, right? And so I put this on repeatedly all the time. But if you take this foundation and then you take this, a little droplet of this, you can make your own BB cream. 2 products, one. Another, oh, I forgot this one. This is a good hack too. So this is my hair oil. I love Unite hair products for styling. This product as well can replace this one while you're traveling. I like to hoard this one as much as possible, so I don't do that unless I have to. But when you're traveling and you're considering space, this one, it's got so many different uses. My last makeup tip in this video is, if all else fails, go to your stores and ask for samples of perfume, right? This just drops in between all the bottles in that little quart size travel. And I actually did this past week. I went and got 2 little sample containers of some products that I like. They didn't sell the travel sizes, so I asked her if she could dram me up some, and she absolutely did. My other little travel tip is adapters, right? Because we have a lot of electronic gear. So this one has 4 USB plugs. I also do travel with an extension cord that has 4 USB plus 2 plug-in adapters. Just because a lot of times, I don't know where you're going to be staying, but the plug situation is deplorable. Then instead of this situation, why don't you get a cute little travel bag, right? If you are like me, you already have a cute makeup bag. Target, the Sophia Some collection. They probably don't have it. I got this at the beginning of the year when I was back visiting the States. But this handles all the makeup and makeup brushes. And then I can put my quart size bag in here, take that out for the TSA, and I do usually keep it in a liner inside anyway because I'm a little OCD like that. My other favorite thing, which this is actually, and I got a lot of favorite things, don't I? I had issues, but whatever. So one of my other favorite things, see if the camera comes along around here, is this mirror. So this is a godsend. I can't even begin to tell you. This is like unbelievable. Little mirror, see my reflection. Hi. But it is so lightweight, and it's powered by USB. I like everything to be powered by USB, to be honest. And it like blows up so you can see the makeup. It is the most amazing thing. I even here in this flat, it's so dark. So doing makeup and getting that all balanced and even looking, it's always a challenge no matter where I'm at. This mirror goes everywhere with me. It comes with a couple attachments, a 10 magnifying mirror that magnetizes right on there, and it even has a little attachment to film, like set your phone in and film. Put it in an old laptop bag to protect it during the travel. And you've probably never met anybody before that travels with her own laundry bag. However, it makes me crazy that whenever I'm staying in an Airbnb or a hotel room, there's no place to put my dirty clothes. And I don't want to mix them back in with all my clean ones. So I take old bags from purses and I throw one in, and that way, when I'm done traveling, I can throw it back in my suitcase. I can jam it in with everything else that's still clean. However, it's separated, and maybe that's just another layer of my OCD. I hope that helped you in some way. Please have a fantastic holiday and enjoy the American turkey dinner for me, please. Post your pics below and absolutely torment me with them because it's so delicious and that I do miss. And if you have any tips for Portugal, I would love to know. What should I be eating? What should I be doing? Ciao, have a fantastic holiday.